So click on the button and see what happens. You can see that the content of the paragraph changes to I love JavaScript. I'll show you a simple way of using JavaScript. Here I have two files, HTML file, index.html, and a JavaScript file, script.js. I'll link the two files. So in the HTML file, body elements, I'll type in the script elements. In the source, I'll type in the name of the JavaScript file. I need three elements. First element will be the h2 elements, and inside I'll put in the let's learn JavaScript. Then I'll need a paragraph element. I'll give that a demo ID, and the content will be, you can change the content of an element. Lastly, I'll bring in a button element with an ID of change paragraph, and the content will be just click. So let's preview this and see how it looks like. So you can see just three elements with a button. So let's go on to JavaScript and see the file and see how to make the paragraph element change and the paragraph content change when the button is clicked. So I'll first of all create a function, and I'll call it change contents. Now I want to grab the paragraph element, so I'll create a constant for that, and I'll name that paragraph element. I'll assign that to document.getElementById, and the ID I want to grab is the demo ID. Now once I grabbed that element, that paragraph element, then I can now assign the innerHTML to something else. Let's say I love JavaScript. Function integer does not do anything, so I need to grab the button element, use a constant for that. Constant, I'll call this button element. Now I'll assign that to, like I did for the paragraph element, document.getElementById, and the ID of that button, let's check, is change paragraph. I'll copy that and paste it here. So I've grabbed the button element just for me to use it. When I click on the button, what should happen? So I need an event listener, so that's the add event listener, so that this function takes in two parameters. Takes in the event itself you want to happen, that's the click event, and the function you want to apply when the button is clicked, that's the change function I created above, change. So that's all. So click on the button and see what happens. You can see that the content of the paragraph changes to I love JavaScript.